back immediately.
Little math project. 2023.
I just wanna see what two angles make up a linear pair, but it's cool cause I just found out they're both supplementary. Oh no, these two look hard. How can I tell which one apart? It seems pretty complicated till you find out they're both adjacent. Taught the line that intersects A, what the transversal does A, say to your teacher's face. Rah! I know where the angles are placed. A triangles add up to 180. Well duh, little child, it's called supplementary.
Woo! Now correspondent, they gotta be on the same side if you want one. They're congruent, I forgot to mention this into us and we'll teach you a lesson. Not bad. Then we learned about alternate angles. We found out there were two. We got pretty tangled. Time to go into detail. Detail. Cause alternate interiors are inside the parallel. You really don't see the exterior angles, outside lines being congruent and opposite pretty much all of the time. No. You think you're gonna see?
Oh my god, they're inside the parallel. They're on the same side. Can't you tell? They can also be outside or inside. They can't be opposites though. We tried.
You're freaking delusional, so try your best to remember. We're not talking about consecutive, also angles can't be negative. It's time to talk about complementary, but which isn't, huh? 180 degree looking like triangle? It's actually just a 90.
Time to talk about vertical pairs. These kinds of angles are kind of rare. They're basically diagonal to each other. Oh, and they both add up to 180. So time to talk about the angles that we were talking about previously. We called the two angles adjacent. We can explain them pretty much immediately. They're called adjacent, maybe subjacent, or even above them if you're feeling complacent, which means they're next to each other. So you can have one after another.
Got it? We're not gonna explain this to you again. Well, I mean, if you want us to. Alright, you know what? No, we're not gonna wrap it again. This intermission is taking too long. I'll stop talking. Let's get back into the song.
We talked about all the angles that there are, so now we have a few extra bars to talk about our new topic, which is dilations. They can make the shape enlarge or reduce, but you all knew that? So, no need to introduce. But let me guess, they have to be proportionate, right? Isn't that the catch? When we expand it too much on one side, they'll be proportionally off balance classified. They're pretty simple, very easy little thing, and that's that. So come to think of it, there's geometrical gaps. Angles with the measures and sides, and how they add up to 180.
Now, finished as planned. Took 10 minutes to write, so it wasn't that bad, but I got one question to ask you, bro. Are triangles cool, though?